Hey, okay, it's Terry Bontemps. Hey, today's day one. Gonna do a major remodel on a property that I own, and it's been 23 years that I've owned this property. Haven't did much to it, and so I think now's a good time to go ahead and get it sold. But we're gonna start out with repairing a fence. We got about 200 feet, 200 lineal feet of fencing here that I'm going to replace, and with the prices being that they are today, we're looking at probably about $700 just in material, and probably get a dumpster in, which is going to be another $400. So we're going to get that started today, and this is going to be, the start. We got a lot of work to do. Probably looking to put quite a bit of money into getting this property fixed up, but it's going to turn out really nice. So just want to share, here's day one, replacing 200 feet of fence.